Welcome to Mathematics Online Lecture Series by Professor K.V. Narasimhan, Computational Methods using MATLAB. Lecture number 11, M files in MATLAB part 2. So, now this is the continuation of our earlier class. So, in the earlier class we discussed about the script files and functions concept. Now, continuation of the previous lecture. Today we will discuss about few more problems on functions, then we will discuss about another type of the function and types of the functions, sub functions and nested functions and etc., and also some more practice questions. Okay. So, now coming to the class. So, today's first question, create a function file to find the factorial of a given positive number. So, it is actually this is very simple program. If you use looping or conditional statement, then it is very simple. Okay. But without using the such concepts, then how to find the factorial of a given positive number. Okay. So, now we are writing a function file, not script file. So, what is the procedure for a function file? First starting with the keyword function, then not capital letter, small letter, starting with small letter only. Now, output, okay, I will take fact. Fact is the output variable, this is the output variable. Okay, input variable is factorial. Okay, for this purpose I will write factorial. Now, this is local variable, I am using the local variable. Okay, fine. Now, first I will create a vector. Now, clearly observe f equals to x colon minus 1 colon 1. What is the meaning? What is the meaning of this vector? We are starting from this number. Suppose if you want to find 5 factorial, suppose if you want to find 5 factorial, okay, I will write here. Suppose if you want to find 5 factorial, so x equals to 5. Now, give FACL of 5. Okay. So, this is x value is called local variable. So, we are starting from x minus 1 1. Now, this is nothing but decreasing sequence. Suppose if you take x equals to 5, so minus 1 is 4 3 2 1. So, we are generating a vector from this number to 1 with increment is minus 1. So, nothing but decreasing sequence. Now, use fact equals to, I will write, I will type the fact, this is the output variable, equals to product of f. So, nothing but, so multiplying all the elements in this vector is nothing but factorial. Okay. Now, so closing with AND. So, every function starting with the keyword function and closing with AND. So, now I will type all these things in the software. Okay. First, I will take one empty file, M file. Okay. So, here function is the keyword for this function, factorial x. So, first we are generating one vector f, vector starting from x to 1 decreasing sequence, then product of f nothing but the factorial. Okay, very good practice is use CLC at the top. Now, this is the good practice for clearing the command window, otherwise the previous results may disturb you. Okay. Okay. Now, save this function. If you save this function, okay, now it default shows the function name FACL. Okay. Now, okay, now FACL function is created. Okay, no need to run. Okay, if you run the program, then no problem. If you know the x value of previously we are giving the x value, then directly run the program. Otherwise, okay. Now, listen carefully here, two important points. One is, if you type this function only with user defined value directly, if it is in our local folder only, current folder only, then only we can find. Now, type the function value in the command window, then press enter, you will get the answer. 5 factorial is 120. Suppose if you want to now this answer is A and S is given. Suppose if you want to know the value in terms of fact equals to, suppose if you write like this, then what happen, instead of answer you will get fact equals to 120. Okay, in the similar way I will find the factorial of 4, factorial of 4 is 120. Now, this is very simple program. This is the very simple program for finding the factorial without using any looping concepts and conditional statements. So, directly we can find the factorial without using any condition with the help of vectors concept, directly we can find. So, here we are using the default function product function. So, this is our output. Okay. I will type this one output here. Okay, fact equals to, what is the input here? Fact equals to factorial of 4. This is the input in the command window. Type all these things in the command window, then you will get the output like this. Okay. Now, this is the another program using functions concept. Okay. Now, I will explain a beautiful another program. Now, listen carefully. Okay, wait. Some lines are missed, just wait. Some lines are missed. This is the next concept, we will discuss later in the next lecture. Okay. Some part is missed in this question, okay, but is not missed in our material. Okay. I will copy the question. Write a function file. Now, this is the question. Write a function file chop41. So, if it is mentioned, then use only chop41 only. Function name is clearly given, function. Okay, starting with the keyword function. Then, okay, you may write any one, then no problem. F equals to chop1, chp41. Now, this is our function name. So, here in this function only one variable. Okay, I will write only one variable. Okay. Then, now type this function f equals to x into, okay, I will write x into fourth root of 3x plus 4, okay, 3 into x plus 5 whole power 1 by 4 okay, fine, divided by, okay, here closing bracket is missed, okay, I will write closing bracket, then open bracket, x square plus 1, okay, whole square, fine. Okay. Now, function is clearly given, so type end. Okay, this is a simple function, chop for function. So, here we have to find f of 6 also, f of 6, and also for more values 1, 3, 5, 7, 11. So, this is a vector. Okay. Suppose if you give some vector 1, 3, 5, 7 at a time, we can find the value. So, for this purpose, okay, I will write dot caret symbol, dot division, dot caret, dot. So, for bitwise multiplication, it is very useful, use dot symbol before caret or division. Okay, this is the good practice. Okay. For integer purpose and also vector purpose, this is quite good. Okay, this is already completed. Now, I will take another example. Okay. I will take another example. Okay, now see, this is a simple function. We have created a function chop for one function, okay, and save this one. Okay, default shows chop for 1, okay, and it is stored as chop for 1. Okay. So, good practice is CLC clear our work command window. Okay, best methodology. Okay. Okay, every time it is very easy. Okay, I will find the values. Okay, otherwise remove this one, then no problem. Okay, at this moment not required. F equals to chop 4 of, okay, what is the question? At 6. Okay, fine. So, in place of x, type 6, you will get some value. Okay. I will copy this concept in our output file. Okay, this is the output file. Now, another one is the second bit is, this is first one, first output. Now, second output is give 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay. For this purpose, okay, we can change the program. X equals to input function, enter, I think this is better way instead of the previous one, enter the number or vector. Okay, then no problem, we can give any one, you will get the answer. Okay. Again I will again find the value, same value, then no problem. Okay, we can give any number, then directly you will get the value, then don't worry. So, enter a number, a vector, okay, I will give 6, okay, so you will get the same answer, don't worry. So, enter the number x equals to 5, you will get the value. In the similar way, suppose if you want to find the value, okay, then no problem, enter the number 6, you will get the value, same value. Okay. Suppose if you give, okay, I will again run the program, enter the number, okay, I will, okay, wait, clear screen better way. Okay, again I will give. So, okay, enter the number, I will give a vector. What is the vector? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. At a time we can find all the values. Okay. At a time we can find all the values. Okay, somewhere it is wrongly typed. Okay, okay. So dot is missed here for multiplication purpose. Okay, I will run again. Okay, square root of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay, then directly you will get the value, vector values. So this is nothing but f of 1, f of 3, f of 5, f of 7, f of 9 and f of 11. Directly you will get the value. If you type like this, directly you will get the value. So what is the meaning? Output. This one is our output. Okay, here we changed another line. What is the line with this one? Enter the number using input function. Okay, then no problem, you will get directly input function. Okay, I don't want to change the function. This is another practice question. Now, sixth question. This is also same procedure. Here file name is chop4 with 2 outputs. Okay. So I will write the similar manner. I will write the similar manner. Okay, I will reduce the size. Okay, better. But here 2 input values x and y. That's why I will take x comma y. X comma y. So what is the function here? So here there is no vector, so no need to give. This is not required because here there is no vector. 1 and 5. Okay, then no problem. Okay, then no problem. So change the function. If it is a vector concept, then use dot star dot concept. Here x square minus 4x into y plus y square x square minus 4xy plus y square. Okay, then it is very easy. So easily we can find f of 2 comma 3 is nothing but, so our what is the function name? chop4. Okay, then chop4. So this is the function name, chop4 of 2 comma 3, then you will get the answer. Again chop4, this is the chop4 is the function name at 1 comma 9. Okay, we will check the answers one by one. First we will create the here 2 inputs, only one output variable f. So here 2 inputs. Okay, next in the next program we will discuss about 2 inputs or 2 or more inputs, then only one output. Okay, we will discuss one by one. Okay. Okay, I will change the function name. Okay, this is not required. Okay, I will change the name. I will change chop3. Already chop4 is already used. Okay, now I will use chop3. Instead of chop4, I will use only chop3. Okay, now save this function. It shows chop3 1. Okay, then no problem. Now type this one CLC. So first 2 comma 3. Then what happened? what happened, what happened, what happened? Somewhere it is wrongly mentioned. Yeah, here star is missed. Okay, that's why you got error. Okay, now again. Okay, you got the value. Okay, I will copy this one. So our file name is chop3. This is chop3. Okay. In the similar way, we can find chop 1 comma 9. Suppose if you write f, you will get the f answer. Otherwise, suppose if you write only this function name only 1 comma 9, you will get answer in place of f. You will get the value in terms of the previous answer in terms of f. Here you will get ans only. Okay, you may write any one, then no problem. Okay. So, this is about two inputs and only one output. Okay. Suppose now I will explain one more example just for more understanding. Finding the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 4x plus 4 equals to 0. Now, we have to find the roots of this equation. Okay, suppose if you want to give a in place of this one, this in place of 4, I will give b, in place of c, I will give constant term is 0. Then how to find the roots, both the roots using functions concept. Script file is very easy, directly straightforward, you will get the output. So, simply minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, you will get the solution. But here how to write function? So, here two outputs. So, put in root 1 comma root 2, then no problem, equals to, I will call it as QUA, quadratic equation. Here three inputs a comma b comma c, three inputs are there. Okay, then start the function. Okay, then what happened? First we will find the discriminant. D equals to SQRT of b square minus 4 into a into c. Okay. Now, here we are not applying any condition, whether it is a positive root or negative root or real roots or etc. So, not required, just simply we will find the roots using concepts only. Okay. At the end, press semicolon, otherwise you will get d value in the output, not required. Root 1 equals to minus b plus d. Okay, I will write under bracket divided by 2 into a. Okay, again I will close the function, I will close the statement. Now second root is minus b minus minus b discriminant by 2a. At the end write END. Okay. This is our function. Now see, okay, open this one, a new file. Okay, CLC, clear the screen here. Okay, I will show clearly. Okay, function, two output variables, root 1 and root 2. Quadratic is the file name. Three inputs, A, B, C are three input values. Here we will find the discriminant. Okay, suppose if you want to write the comment, then write it, then no problem. Root 1, root 2. Okay, fine. This is clear. Now save it. So with QUA. QUA is the file name. Function name is same as the file name. Okay. Now, if you want both the roots, now copy this entirely. In place of A, I will write 1, 5, 6. Okay. So, if it is in our local folder only, then only we can find the values, otherwise change the folder. So, wait, okay. Here T is missed, that is why we got an error, then no problem. T. So, you will get the root 1 and root 2. Minus 2 and minus 3 are the roots of the quadratic equation output. Okay, here mistake is root ROOT root. Okay, this is very simple. Easily we can find what is the observation here. Here three input variables and two output variables. So, here three input variables are local variables A, B, C. Root 1, root 2 are output variables, call it as output variables. So, root 2 and root 3 are the roots. In the similar way, suppose if you want to find the roots, okay, I will write again root 1, okay, 1, 1. Then what happened? So, the roots are complex roots. Directly you will get the complex roots. No, don't worry, directly you will get the complex roots. Don't, very easy. Easily we can find the roots of the quadratic equation. So, here what is the observation in this function? In this function we have three inputs and two output variables. Root 1, root 2 are output variables and A, B, C are input variables. So, if you want to know both the values, now type like this only. Okay. So, this is also another example. Okay. In this manner we can try other roots of the equation. Okay. We have several exercise questions. Okay. At this moment I will explain only a few exercise questions only. Now, in the functions concept, functions concept, very important concept. Listen, subfunction. Suppose if you want to subfunction means, okay, I will show you clearly. This is the main function. Okay. Suppose if you want to find another function, okay, function discriminant is totally different, d equals to, okay, d equals to, I will remove this one, okay, I will write here dic of a comma b comma c. This is another function. Now, end this function. This function is another function. Here we are calling the function dis of a comma b comma c. Here we are calling this function in this main program. This is main program. This is called subprogram. So we are calling the subprogram in the main program. This is called subfunctions. Subfunction. This is the subfunction. This is the main function. So we are calling the another function here. This concept is called subfunction concept. Okay, I will run this program. Okay, just only for understanding, and just I am changing the inside program. Okay, observe this one. Now, okay, I will type this one. You will get the same answer. 1 1 1. What happened? So you will get the same answer. But here, what is the concept here? If you write in the single function, then no problem. We can call the functions, other functions in this function. This dragged function is the main function. This is called subfunction. This is called subfunction concept. Now, okay, I will copy this one. Now, another concept is nested function. Nested function is nothing but function inside function. Function inside function. Okay, I will type the same function. I will type the same function inside the function. So, in the previous example is totally different. We are calling the another function which is defined in the same function. Other function is called the subfunction. Here nested function. Function inside function is called nested function. So, okay, I will show you. I will show you same example. Okay, copied. Okay, already copied. No problem. Okay. Okay. Wait. Okay, I will take it as QA1, some technical problem. Okay. I will call it as QA1 instead of QAA. I will call it as QA1. Then no problem. It is saved with QA. Okay, because already QA is another function is opened in our and also available in the current folder. That's why we are giving the another name. Now type this one. Type both left hand side and right hand side. Then only you will get the answer with the output variable. So okay, I will type 1 1 1. Press enter. You will get the same function, same value. This is called nested function. Function inside function. In the previous one is function calling another function, calling the another function. That one is called subfunction. Okay, in the similar way we can write any function. Now another we have important concept in functions concept, anomalous function. Okay, nothing but inline function, nothing but inline function, anomalous function. But here we are writing the script file separately, function separately in separate files. Suppose if you want to write the same function in the script file, then what is the procedure? Very simple, simple. This is the syntax. Left hand side is the variable. Now this is default. We are starting from @ Okay, this is called variables. This is called function. Okay, I will show you this example. Okay, I will copy this example and I will explain. Okay, here no need. Now if you are using anomalous function, that one is called inline function. Simply call it as a script file, not a function. Now here, okay, I will Now observe this one. Okay, if you write some lines and then write this function is called inline function. So now my name of the function is power function. Okay, suppose if you want to write some values, a equals to 1, okay, closing with this one, b equals to some 2, okay, not required, just only for understanding, c equals to some 3, so z equals to a plus b plus okay, power of 2 cube. Then my intention is this function is 2 cube. Okay. Suppose if you want to find the value, okay, first I am defining the power function 2 cube. Okay. So what is the meaning? Okay, I will write 1 plus 2 plus 2 cube. This is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 2 cube. This is called power function, inline function. This is nothing but a script file. We are starting from at the rate, then write in the brackets two variables, x and n are two variables. Here x equals to 2, n equals to 3. Now what is the expression? Because now this is the good practice, dot caret is the good practice. Suppose if you are dealing with some vectors, nowadays you will get the answer without any error. Okay, x power n is nothing but 2 cube. Okay, display disp display, this is called output function, display function or f printf. Now this is first to save this one. This is called script file. This is not a function file, inline function, anomalous function. Okay, I will write power expression. Okay, exp. I will write it as another some name, power exp, just for understanding. Now run this program. What is the output? What is the output of this one? Very simple. A is 1 is given, b is 2 is given, c is given. What is z? A 1 plus 2 plus power function. Now we are calling the inline function 2. This is nothing but x is 2, n is 3, 2 cube. So what is the value? Okay, just run this program. You will get power expression equals to 1 plus 2 plus 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1. So this is called, this function is called anomalous function. So simply we can write the anomalous function. So in the suppose if you want to find the value, so chop 3 directly you can, okay, I will write the same program, chop 3 or chop 4. Okay, I will copy this chop 3 using anomalous function. Without function concept, anomalous function, what is the procedure? This is not required. Okay, end is not required. Here type at the rate. Now variable is x, then expression. Okay, two variables x comma y. Okay. Now suppose if you want to find f of 1, then f of 6, okay, then no problem, write directly f of 6. You will get the f of 6, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3. And also suppose if you want to find the value f of 1 comma 9, this is called inline function or anomalous function. Just copy this one. Okay, I will copy the with same name, then no problem. Just run this program. This is called anomalous. Okay, where is some mistake? Sorry, y is missed here. Sorry, here y is missed. Okay, CLC. So okay, I think good practice is CLC. Clear screen. Better. Okay. Clear all also good practice. Okay, at this moment. Now you got the answer. F of 2 3 is this one. F of 1 9 with the help of anomalous function. Suppose if you use output function, display function or fprintf, you will get different answers. Instead of ans, you will get the different names. So this is called anomalous function. So we can write the same function with the anomalous chop for same procedure, using the anomalous function or function concept. Okay, depending on the question or depending on the situation, use whether it is in anomalous function or function, define the functions concept. Okay. So now I will stop the concept here. So this is the end of our simple concept, script file and script files and functions files, both together call it as M files. So this is the end of a simple introduction to M files. We can write any program using script files and functions. Okay, in the coming lectures we will discuss more problems, more programs in our lectures. Okay, just practice all these questions. Okay, meet again. Thank you.